At Bay Gardens Resorts, you can now book your conference space online, exclusively at Bay Gardens Hotel and Bay Gardens Inn. As an example, we will be using Bay Gardens Hotel. Begin by visiting baygardensresorts.com. From the homepage, navigate our properties and select Bay Gardens Hotel. Once on the Bay Gardens Hotel page, select Groups and Event Spaces from the Events tab. Review the available event spaces and select the one that best fits your meeting needs, whether it's a boardroom session, training seminar, workshop, or large corporate event. When you're ready, simply click the Book option. Complete the online form with your preferred dates, number of attendees, and event requirements. You will also see options for audio-visual support, catering services, and add-ons. You are also able to select your preferred seating style. Submit your request directly through the platform, and our dedicated team will follow up promptly to confirm availability and finalize the details. From comfortable accommodations to dining and team building experiences just minutes away, Bay Gardens Hotel offers everything you need to combine business with island convenience.